Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn listening English with a story. The Little Lost Kitten. Once, in a small town, there lived a kind girl named Daisy. Daisy loved animals very much. She had a pet dog named Sparky, and they were best friends. Every day, Daisy and Sparky would play in the park near their house. One sunny morning, as Daisy and Sparky were playing fetch in the park, they heard a soft, sad sound. Meow. It was coming from behind a big bush. Daisy stopped playing and listened carefully. "Sparky, did you hear that?" she asked. Sparky wagged his tail and barked softly, as if to say, "Yes, I heard it too." Daisy and Sparky slowly walked towards the bush. They peeked behind the green leaves and saw a tiny kitten. The kitten was all alone, and it looked very scared and lost. It was small, with soft white fur and big blue eyes. "Oh, you poor little thing," Daisy said gently. The kitten looked up at Daisy with its big blue eyes and mewed again, even more sadly. Daisy carefully picked up the kitten. It was very light and trembled a little in her hands. "Don't worry, little one," Daisy whispered. "I will help you." Daisy looked around the park, hoping to see the kitten's mother or anyone who might be looking for it, but there was no one. She asked people passing by, "Excuse me, have you lost a kitten?" But nobody had. Daisy felt sorry for the lost kitten. She couldn't leave it alone in the park. "Sparky, we need to take this kitten home," she said. Sparky barked happily and wagged his tail again, agreeing with Daisy. Daisy carefully carried the kitten, and Sparky walked beside her as they went home. When they arrived home, Daisy's mom was in the kitchen. "Mom, look what we found in the park," Daisy said, showing her the little kitten. Daisy's mom was surprised. "Oh, Daisy, a kitten! Where did you find it?" Daisy told her mom everything about finding the kitten alone and lost in the park. Daisy's mom was also kind, and she loved animals too. "Well, we can't leave it outside. Let's take care of it," Mom said. "But first, we need to see if anyone is looking for it." Daisy and her mom gave the kitten some warm milk in a small bowl. The kitten was very hungry and drank it all up quickly. After drinking the milk, the kitten started to purr softly. Daisy smiled. They made a cozy bed for the kitten in a small box with a soft blanket. The kitten curled up in the box and fell asleep. Daisy and her mom put up signs around the park and in the town. The signs said "Lost Kitten" and had a picture of the cute white kitten. They put their phone number on the signs, hoping the kitten's owner would call. Days passed, but nobody called about the lost kitten. Daisy was a little sad that no one claimed the kitten, but she was also starting to really love the little creature. She named the kitten Snowball because of its white fur. Snowball was very playful and sweet. It loved to play with Daisy and Sparky. Sparky was very gentle with the kitten, and they became good friends too. They would chase each other in the garden, and sometimes Snowball would even try to play fetch with Sparky's toys. Daisy took very good care of Snowball. She fed it, cleaned its box, and played with it every day. Snowball would follow Daisy everywhere in the house and purr whenever Daisy petted it. One evening, as Daisy was playing with Snowball, the phone rang. Daisy's mom answered it. It was a lady from their town. She said, "Hello, I saw your sign about a lost white kitten. I think it might be mine." Daisy's heart felt a little heavy. She was happy that Snowball might go back to its real owner, but she was also sad to think about saying goodbye to the kitten she had grown to love. The next day, the lady came to Daisy's house. She described her kitten, and it sounded just like Snowball. When the lady saw Snowball, her eyes lit up. "Snowball! Oh, Snowball, I've been looking everywhere for you!" she cried happily. Snowball also seemed to recognize the lady. It jumped into her arms and purred loudly. Daisy knew then that this lady was Snowball's real owner. Daisy felt a little sad to say goodbye to Snowball, but she was also happy that Snowball was going back home where it belonged. She knew she had done the right thing by taking care of the lost kitten. The lady was very thankful to Daisy and her mom for finding and taking care of Snowball. She said, "Thank you so much for finding my kitten. I was so worried about her. You are a very kind girl, Daisy." Daisy smiled. "You're welcome," she said. "I'm just happy Snowball is safe and going home." Even though Daisy was a little sad to see Snowball go, she felt good inside. She learned that helping a lost animal was a very rewarding thing to do. And she knew that even though Snowball was going home, she would always remember the little lost kitten and how they had helped each other, even for a short time. From that day on, Daisy continued to be kind to all animals. She knew that even small acts of kindness could make a big difference in the lives of others, both animals and people. And she and Sparky continued to play in the park, always ready to help any creature in need. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.